Let's talk about the problem of
Yeah.
student debt. How big is the problem?
The problem is huge. There are 40 million Americans who are trying to deal with student loan debt in America right now. Think about that. And the student loan debt itself just keeps going up and up and up. It's now $1.2 trillion in outstanding student loan debt. That's more than all the credit card debt outstanding in America, more than any other kind of personal debt except mortgage debt. And it keeps going up. Last year, the seniors in college, an astonishing 71% of all the seniors in college had student loan debt. It's just a problem that keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger.
Is this just a recent graduate problem?
No, this is a problem. The student loan debt problem extends across the ages. In fact, people 60 and older owe a collective $36 billion in student loan debt. We think of student loan debt as a problem for young people, but it also affects those in their 40s, in their 50s, in their 60s. Sometimes it's because people went back to school later on. Sometimes it's because they co-signed for a child who's unable to pay.
Is there a danger this could become an economic bubble?
Student loan debt has already begun to threaten the economy. The Federal Reserve Bank, the Treasury Department, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau have all put out reports noting that because of student loan debt, young people are living at home longer with their parents. They're not saving up for down payments on homes. They're not buying homes. They're not buying cars. They're not saving for retirement. They're not starting small businesses. They're not doing the things economically that we would expect them to do, all because of the weight of student loan debt.
What would your new legislation do?
This new legislation is really pretty simple. With interest rates low, homeowners have been refinancing their mortgages, businesses have been refinancing their debts, even municipalities have been refinancing their debts. But the federal government does not let people holding student loans refinance down to the low interest rates available. This bill would say, yes, they can refinance.
If we don't do this, what happens?
If we don't do something about outstanding student loan debt, America fundamentally changes. We're a country that believes that everybody gets a fair shot, and that includes kids who can't afford to pay upfront for college. Bringing down the cost of college and the cost of student loans means that more people get a chance to build something real in their lives.